Hello everyone, today I am going to do an unboxing video of a product which I purchased from flipkart.com, and if you feel like purchasing this product you can check my description for the link. So the product name is Foxit 3x2 non-magnetic double-sided board and chalkboard. I hope that this video will be very much helpful to the one who is planning to buy whiteboard via online mode. And before proceeding to a video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click a bell icon to get further notification of my channel. So let's move further towards unboxing. So the packaging which has been done out here is very good, and packaging is in very good condition. As I am doing a video at the same time and trying to dismantle the packaging, it is very much difficult for me to do a video. So let's see what's there inside. So looking from outside, the product is in quite good condition, and I hope that there is no any kind of damage or some sort of scratches out there. This product cost me around 700 rupees along with the delivery charges. So this is the green part of a board. So usually this green section can be used to write with chalk. There is some sort of dust out there. So this is how it looks like from a green side of a board. Now let us make a closer look to it. Everything seems to be in good condition, and this is a white portion of a board. So it seems that there is some sort of scratch out there. Yeah, here we go. There is a little scratch out there, but it is acceptable. So overall product is in good and fine condition except that scratch out there, and or else everything is in pretty good condition. So this is the whole body look. Now let me try to write something in this board. It seems pretty good. Though I don't have any whiteboard cleaner, so I will just be using paper to clean this board, and let me check how does it look like after cleaning it. Though I used a paper to clean this board, but yes, it seems to be pretty good. And if you like my video, then do support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you for watching my video.